Welcome everyone to this special MCQ series on UGC NET English Literature. This series is designed strictly according to the official UGC syllabus, with high-level, PYQ-based, and concept-trap questions that help you think like a NET examiner. Here, we don't just revise literature, we decode it, challenge it, and master it. First question. Who wrote the poem The Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock? A. W. B. Yeats, B. T. S. Eliot, C. Ezra Pound, D. W. H. Auden. The right answer is option B. T. S. Eliot. The poem is an important modernist work. It presents the inner conflict of a modern man. Next question. Which novel is written by William Golding? A. Animal Farm, B. Lord of the Flies, C. Brave New World, D. 1984. The right answer is option B. Lord of the Flies. The novel shows the dark side of human nature. It is an allegory of civilization and savagery. Next question. Who wrote lyrical ballads jointly with Wordsworth? A. Robert Southey, B. John Keats, C. S. T. Coleridge, D. Charles Lamb. The right answer is option C. S. T. Coleridge. The book marked the beginning of Romanticism. It was published in 1798. Next question. Which play is written by Arthur Miller? A. Death of a Salesman, B. A Streetcar Named Desire, C. The Glass Menagerie, D. Long Day's Journey into Night. The right answer is option A. Death of a Salesman. The play critiques the American dream. It is a major modern tragedy. Next question. Who wrote The Rime of the Ancient Mariner? A. William Blake, B. William Wordsworth, C. S. T. Coleridge, D. Lord Byron. The right answer is option C. S. T. Coleridge. It is a supernatural narrative poem. The poem stresses the sanctity of all life. Next question. Which critic wrote Seven Types of Ambiguity? A. I. A. Richards, B. F. R. Leavis, C. William Empson, D. Cleaned Brooks. The right answer is option C. William Empson. The book is a classic of new criticism. It studies multiple meanings in poetry. Next question. Who is the author of The White Tiger? A. Amitav Ghosh, B. Aravind Adiga, C. Vikram Seth, D. Rohinton Mistry. The right answer is option B. Aravind Adiga. The novel won the Booker Prize. It presents social inequality in India. Next question. Which movement is associated with the slogan, Art for Art's Sake? A. Romanticism, B. Aestheticism, C. Realism, D. Naturalism. The right answer is option B. Aestheticism. The movement valued beauty over morality. Oscar Wilde was its major figure. Next question. Who wrote the epic poem Beowulf? A. Geoffrey Chaucer, B. An unknown Anglo-Saxon poet, C. Edmund Spenser, D. John Milton. The right answer is option B. An unknown Anglo-Saxon poet. It is the earliest epoch of English literature. The poem belongs to Old English period. Next question. Which novel is written by Kazuo Ishiguro? A. Atonement, B. Never Let Me Go, C. The English Patient, D. The Remains of the Day. The right answer is option D. The Remains of the Day. The novel won the Booker Prize. It deals with memory and regret. Next question. Which novel is written by Aldous Huxley? A. Brave New World, B. 1984, C. Fahrenheit 451, D. Animal Farm. The right answer is option A. Brave New World. It is a dystopian novel. The book imagines a controlled future society. Next question. Who coined the term intentional fallacy? A. W. K. Wimsett and Monroe Beardsley, B. T. S. Eliot, C. F. R. Leavis, D. Northrop Frye. The right answer is option A. W. K. Wimsett and Monroe Beardsley. The theory rejects authorial intention. It focuses only on the text itself. Next question. Which work is written by Ralph Waldo Emerson? A. Walden, B. Self-Reliance, C. The Scarlet Letter, D. Moby Dick. The right answer is option B. Self-Reliance. The essay is a key text of transcendentalism. It promotes individualism. Next question. Who wrote The Importance of Being Earnest? A. George Bernard Shaw, B. Oscar Wilde, C. John Galsworthy, D. Richard Sheridan. The right answer is option B. Oscar Wilde. It is a famous comedy of manners. The play satirizes Victorian society. Next question. Which critic developed the concept of myth criticism? A. Roland Barthes, B. Northrop Frye, C. Cleaned Brooks, D. I. A. Richards. The right answer is option B. Northrop Frye. Myth criticism studies universal patterns. It links literature with archetypes. Next question. Which term is associated with Jacques Lacan? A. Mirror stage, B. Intertextuality, C. Deconstruction, D. Archetype. The right answer is option A. Mirror stage. Lacan used it in psychoanalytic theory. It explains formation of human identity. Next question. Which writer is associated with Harlem Renaissance? A. Robert Frost, B. Langston Hughes, C. Walt Whitman, D. Edgar Allan Poe. The right answer is option B. Langston Hughes. The movement celebrated black culture. It flourished in 1920 America. Next question. Which play is written by Bertolt Brecht? A. Mother Courage and Her Children, B. Waiting for Godot, C. The Bald Soprano, D. The Caretaker. The right answer is option A. Mother Courage and Her Children. Brecht developed epic theatre. The play opposes war and capitalism. Next question. Who coined the term subaltern? A. Edward Said, B. Gayatri Spivak, C. Homi Bhabha, D. Frantz Fanon. The right answer is option B. Gayatri Spivak. The term refers to marginalized groups. It is central to postcolonial studies. Next question. Who wrote the essay on the sublime? A. Aristotle, B. Plato, C. Longinus, D. Horace. The right answer is option C. Longinus. It is a classical treatise on aesthetics. The book discusses elevated style. Question for you. Which novel is written by Zora Neale Hurston? A. Their Eyes Were Watching God, B. The Color Purple, C. Beloved, D. Native Son. Submit the right answer below in the comment box.